Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about the AI landscape in 2026. And honestly, things are moving faster than most people can keep up with.
Seriously, every week there's a new model, a new AI video tool, a new coding assistant. It feels like the entire internet became an AI lab overnight.
Everything you just watched, every host, every voice, every synced mouth movement, was made by one person, in one browser tab, in under 10 minutes. No face on camera, no actors, no expensive editing software. Trust me, I spent months stitching together 5 different AI subscriptions trying to do what this tool does in a single dashboard. And what I'm about to show you is the exact workflow that's quietly powering some of the fastest growing faceless channels on YouTube right now. So in this video, I'll walk you through how I built a multi-host AI podcast scene with synced dialogue using Dzine AI. We'll cover the 3 newest AI models that nobody outside of insiders has even touched yet, the multi-person lip sync feature that other tools literally cannot do, and the 2 post-production tricks that let you finish the whole thing without ever opening Premiere or CapCut. By the end, you'll have the exact blueprint to start your own faceless channel this weekend. Let me show you the dropdown that changed how I think about AI tools, the infinite arsenal. Okay, first thing you need to see, when I open up Dzine and pull up the AI Models tab, this dropdown right here is the reason I canceled 3 other subscriptions last month. Look at the list: ChatGPT Image 2. Yes, OpenAI's newest image model that just dropped. Nano Banana Pro, Kling 3.0, Doubao, Sora, ByteDance's multimodal video monster, and the one that genuinely surprised me, Happy Horse 1.0, the model that anonymously took the #1 spot on the artificial analysis leaderboard back in April for pure visual motion quality. This is the part most people completely miss, while everyone else is waiting in queue for the newest AI drops, paying separately for each one, juggling API keys, hopping between 5 different tabs.
Dzine users have all of these inside one dashboard.
No subscription stack. No model envy. Just pick the best tool for the job and go. Let me prove how fast this is. I select Image 2, type my prompt, stylized podcast host, soft studio lighting, microphone in foreground, warm color palette. And in about 12 seconds, I've got my first character. The text in the background actually renders correctly now. The lighting feels real. The composition holds together. I do the same thing for a second host. Give them a completely different look. Save both to my asset library. Done? I've got my cast. That entire setup took less time than waiting in line for a mid-journey queue. But static characters don't make a podcast. Talking ones do.
And the next part is where Dzine pulls away from every other tool I've tested.
The multi-person lip sync. Other tools literally cannot do.
This is the moment that genuinely separates Dzine from the entire rest of the market.
The lip sync tab, the one they actually mark as hot in the sidebar, is where the magic happens. Here's the problem with every other AI tool. Most of them can lip sync one character to one audio clip. That's fine if you're making a single avatar talking head. But what if you want a podcast with 2 hosts going back and forth? Or a music video with a 4-person band singing? Or a panel discussion with multiple guests? Other platforms either can't do it, or they charge you separately per character, and the timing falls apart anyway.
Dzine handles up to 4 people in a single video,
each with independent lip sync, all locked to the dialogue. So here's exactly what I do. I take my 2 character keyframes from step 1, drop them into the multi-person lip sync tool, upload an audio file of my pre-written podcast script. Could be 11 Labs voices, could be your own recording, doesn't matter.
And Dzine assigns each voice to each character.
Hit generate. Wait a few minutes, and you've got a fully animated podcast clip where both hosts are talking at the right moments. Mouth movements landing on the right phonemes. Expressions shifting with the energy of the conversation. The accuracy on this clocks in around 95%. And on a stylized character, your brain literally cannot tell it apart from a real animated production. That's the entire AI podcast niche unlocked from one workflow. And if you want to lean even harder into virality, you can swap the niche entirely. Generate a 4-person AI band. Sync them to a trending song, and you've got a TikTok-ready music video that took 20 minutes instead of 20 hours. Same workflow, completely different vertical. Quick favor before we get to the post-production magic.
If this is genuinely useful, hit subscribe. It's literally the one thing that lets me keep going deep on these workflows instead of doing surface-level tool reviews.
Video extend, make your clip longer without reshooting.
Alright, so you've got your generated lip sync clip. Looks great.
But here's the problem every short-form creator hits. The AI gave you 5 seconds. You need 15 for a YouTube short, or 30 for a proper TikTok hook. What do? In every other workflow, you'd regenerate the entire thing from scratch and pray you can stitch the pieces together without the character drifting.
Dzine just dropped a feature called Video Extend that wipes that whole problem out.
I click into the Video Extend tab, select my generated clip, pick whether I want the extension before the original or after. And this is huge, because building bridges in both directions means you can extend an intro and an outro from the same source clip. I pick my aspect ratio, 16.9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok. Hit generate.
Dzine continues the motion from where the original clip ended.
The character keeps the same appearance. The lighting stays continuous. The motion flows naturally. You went from a 5-second clip to 10 or 15 seconds without ever leaving the page or downloading a file. For faceless creators pumping out daily content, this is the difference between 3 viable clips a week and 12. Video Inpainter. Fix details without starting over.
Now here's the feature that used to ruin my entire afternoon.
Back when I was using other tools. You generate a clip, looks great overall, but there's one detail that's wrong. The character's beanie ended up the wrong color. There's a weird object floating in the background. A piece of text didn't render right. The old workflow? Regenerate everything. Burn through credits hoping the next generation fixes the issue without breaking the parts that already worked.
Dzine Video Inpainter completely kills that loop.
I upload my clip, trim it to between 3 and 15 seconds. That's the supported range. Then I literally brush over the area I want to change. Type what I want it to become. Hit generate. The model swaps that specific detail across every frame of the video while leaving everything else completely untouched. So if my podcast host's beanie ended up yellow when I wanted red, I brush over it. Type red beanie instead of yellow. Done. If there's a coffee mug I want gone, I brush over it and type remove. This is post-production cleanup that used to require After Effects and an actual VFX skill set. Now it takes about a minute inside the same browser tab where I generated the clip in the first place. The aha moment, from prompt to polished video in minutes.
So let me show you what we just built.
Full screen. 2 AI-generated podcast hosts. Both lip-synced to a real conversation. Extended to proper shorts length, with the final details cleaned up using inpainting. Watch the mouth movements on this. Even on the stylized character, the sync is hitting every consonant. Expressions feel natural. Pacing feels like a real recorded conversation.
This is what I mean when I say the line between AI-generated content and human production just collapsed in 2026.
The flex isn't that one piece of this is impressive. The flex is that I went from a text prompt to a fully talking, fully edited, fully extended character in one tab. Without downloading a single file, without paying for 5 different tools, and without showing my face on camera once. That's the entire Faceless channel pipeline, end to end. So, if you're seriously thinking about starting a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel, here's the actual deal.
Dzine gives new users 50 credits instantly the moment you sign up.
After that, you get 32 fresh credits every single day. And this is the part that matters. They don't stack. They refresh every 24 hours, so use them or lose them. That's enough to generate characters, run lip sync, extend clips, and in-paint fixes to actually produce content while you decide if the paid plans are worth it.
Link is in the description. Free sign up, no credit card needed to start. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of faceless channel you're building.
AI podcast, anime studio, UGC ads, virtual music videos. This stack handles every one of those niches. The most interesting setups usually end up being the next deep dive video on this channel. So don't be shy. If this saved you a week of subscription hopping, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.